Naya saya. Okay, warma Yakuba na ya kaya naya saya. Kamasane dede mimia. Zuma na wun gafarati yan wayla banchika chenyia. Tebe zan ka ali tusobeti yan zan la dwa tuso. No.
Scrap que papa.
Na zo punchline ba bi yi masa ba solo. Nya so hi se kwam so yi ba ma zo solo. Yoma kana me kantin kagba NTV tule de asum sinatum minasa hakata puka pa japar na ga kutura na na tamlana tinu morlango chambinaza hanya viatiti na won gafara kata kana tinyele dabsel gahndo wama de baba na alkawle sheltum pusan na tarana kare la lu dabsel gahandele da bang pamban yan ban sun charla ni vonsun be ni vonsun ma dabsel sun dale kaman dabsel sheldin kana ta patu wama amma mangbe ne tizan hatin la supiel kapuru choya na wannan nan albarkan nan kapatin ya fulu wala na lafi yumpal wama na wuntum tirin sumaya yeto awala kane kaman tum puntira signas ma alama nan ma anyali yomo be kantan program sheltin yin zantana zoya special edition okay pubu ne pabu ma talla nyal ne to puban ma be sababi ya puni katakana duniya wa tallai baleti yumpal mo tum pu ka pabu sa handan bayinde do arbu sa handan bayinde tum pu ka pabu fin yananga kankana okay yoma ka be kantan kan katar ka ba NTV din chana mpura ne to yumpal ya na na barkanan apibu puni kacha katamina mabilguma karchan kantan okay cha an labna nya yeto wala be programa na so yule modu Muhammad Hafiz aka G-Face shitobina nyasi yanka blitin bidum ko bison karasu gole bomberle ne torle annab no ngar mu ariya pour panati vozo ya na won gafara ka supal ga karangal la nyala ko nyoro chogole yati ma ka ban na balama apia ayanga aponso simnati vozo birgoma abnya la manam kamunu chan ma kashira nabi Yusuf shifa biam biya karapuni ni durgo zo to gobla alquran na kun fayakunu no zazo kata bob kafane na kanna ala tabarakallah didi ma ka goma ya abachirim ababirim abagabe abayirga kayibul simin bala ya ka hay bala na wunin nan mina zan hakatare kata bang yamang le ka satele kamile ka dole talanya le na dir amfani ya so ben jia chan saudiya yo ka to kumbi na wun gafaran yabla mashina tangba na ka zuur ganda duniya za dan ya shambala ma NTV yeto akan yara kan mallatan shima okay program ma mi yulumu na den chana alkawle ma nyama na tele jago pune nye yeto ashel de mal amfani intipina zan hajiya kata tahrita na ti ya targiya okay ka pambele be kanta katira arsike no de pune kara kana mena zen food spices ntapa maris tubes Ghana lalanya leka mchanyanya okay Mr. Red Motors ntapa lisi tomato mix okay banu maza ha sponsors ma ban yaya we most grateful D&D talent nchaka ban sponsors ma ninyi shaba but right about now okay antoti ne kaman bakoy be bakoy dibayin bono katamal gumbele ya parka garkami karabe yela shelna karanya la war kub jina iba na ya kapje tabni to tuluma mi nyame antoti ne last week ma ndano interview shele min fancy gadam en la interview ma da pum malla alkawli nan la fansigaram interview ma nagi ye twashel ni yina de soma sababi ya nyama na kama tel hay she min makasi po hayuta because o yul da yina repune and hal punchline shell da through yuma amma maminu besan de yukarami farsal jama agba ebu da bang pamiya na abo prenda manga ban lel bo sonte paga ko ba na talenda ame be yuni sol warna ma amma mami de nyesham so karamal bukata na makasi o kana kat bo nyanya o yul da yina program ma so wula karanon ko yutunya wana balama ade nguma netim balama na woni something you feel for the next man there's going to be a historical concert shedding ye non tamal ko mbele there was an alarm that happen ye non me karada na ka covid ba kana titima kana la concert ma ban fa enie yo man kan tan balama nirbuna kumalla shay nsangula concert ma it is coming from the king of the 69 empire makamaya bala 69 ma hey ibane 69 Fansuma, hey, Ivani, King Machana, you to a pumpkin Katian Yellow, to a boy, Zoom, I want to with Satabazan, Solo, Theatre, Jacantiga, Hakabana Minas in Food Spices, Lizzie Tomato Mix, and Tapa Mr. Red Motors, the Institute of African Art and Technology, and Tapa Mariscopes Ghana, Bazahabia Arsiketiba Punuka program, Waka, the Kanama, Yapuyala, your special edition, Katananda for that matter, Seller edition, then Chakatazamaka, King Martinaya, Nanga for another region, King Mama Montana, the Rab Lord is in the building. Indi la talakalamna lamna katamino kwa zo yetu akane amamiri nyesham wo yetu amada yere pam yarma suhis you know yarma suhis ademi yere yetu ayin very simple na chelsu ho kabutuma suhis rwani gina shapoza dali agokuya masa kapa boy kali problem yo ala okay mbira ye Mira. I want to come. You come. Ayatara. Benazin Food Spices, the Lizzie Tomato Mix, Mr. Red Motors, Institute of African Arts and Technology, the Maristos Ghana. A very quick break. Catalan Labnaya, Macasius in the building. We're talking about the throne concert. We're talking about Tuma. We're talking about a whole lot. Richard Catalan Labna.
Inaze imama sopese ubisi kwenye da sopese ubiti kwenye da sopese utolo finye naisa sopese wakuko kwenye da Sopese uknundi de filia Sopese umandi de filia Ukosto mesindi de filia
FDA aji edwedie kratwo yi atomu
Gadam Ami ashishe din cha baba borin bindiruna
Ayo
to zuwa yin ya la shishe din jan ababa borin to ba fam ne to ka baba di oyen yellow na pam ba hale ka tuma lo yefti blue
Papi
yeah na gwaro na gafara
ayo be wala anye bu fachan manu bre nko ye isi tejara tan bandir wakati Katri Panama. So I know I could imagine myself. You like to Jaran to chill.
Yes, Lizzie Tomato Mix.
Yama, gadam no lwa mlema.
Mama ndashima. Lizzie Tomato Mix.
Lizzie Tomato Mix moya de mezape za saksima ne zakara. Lizzie Tomato Mix sokam de bashe.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Apsonic head office in Tamale here. And this is our agent, Mr. Red Inusa. He is a very trustable agent of Apsonic. He has been dealing business with us for more than 10 years. And if people want to buy moto, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Manva Dantoni, Kajeviela Konsashi, Nigera Shelwanyela Yung Saborle, Ate Ima Karabara, Yingba Makaragarla, Domisombanya, Tempir Moto Mangalabra Tishana Dirta Mangma, Yingba Champid and Garlet Tiramanga, Boyena, Yunwatum Fiapta Motonema, Tangamoto Mangakache twice, Domipa Wabblanya Songa, Absonic Daniela Kanyarango, Absonic Moton Modern Lela Wodum, Guzul Bambara, Absonic Kamaitul Showroom Tamalza, Bumper Palazuan Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise. Can we come in to Absonic Moton and Polonguna, Ben Lava Jimjimani, Motom Manga, Araha Pierre, Guzul Dinanya Absonic Motonum, Absonic Dangma Motonum Soya Pam, Amani Yala Biala, Dinanya Absonic V5, Star, Beyond C5, then Michel Welgerala, Campernum Mobarla Pam, Habi Dungeon de Sogba, Beshebu Tommy, Absonic Moto Kian and Biani, Aloba Denyo Quambienla, Nerabelbo Pam, Nirida Absonic Moto Tessani, Chirata Susuna Katian Saviser Letterale, Dominduc Patom Manga Biani, Cariza and the Cala Patolecam, Cazonzon Galenyele, Chirata Susuna Kamoto Yemel Mosugo, Anto Lapsana Katata, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise San Antuna Chang, and Tegul Piga Absonic Moto Kamambora, Kabanondon to Kamatamata, Tome Absonic Tumaduso Carlama, Basatela Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise, Namokwara Absonic Motonimo, and Ternir Kamdak Bangwaza, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje San Makaicha, Alanya Benelli Motos, the Bakul Pipe Showroom, Jump to Wilpargam, Blambal RFT 150 Mapuka, NNT 150, NNT 150 Sports, Caraviel Fini, Todenka Giabara, Luciano Babiane, Passa Camboarle, TRK 251, Dama Moto Balbo Cam, Bele Absonic Motonimo, Ne Benali Motonimoza, Mr. Red Shop Money, Mr. Red Shop Mabiela Waterworks, Ayi Trampolo Sergerna, and Yagana Water Regional Laboratory, Katuru Moto Kwasoma, to Mr. Red Shituamambala, Ami Tumpunbe Waterworks Sergerna, Mr. Red Shituamam feel free Bama Palataba, Wama Mr. Red Shituama Yala, one number Yala 0243 137223, 020 6136 730.
Chakantega Kabana Dinchan Kaboma NTV, Mampuya special edition Katananga, Sala edition Katananga. Okay, Menazen Food Spice, Nelisi Tomato, Mr. Red Motors, Institute of African Arts and Technology, Namaristubs Ghana, Barambe Arsikiti Mapunu Kaprogram, Kanama, Table Dubai Kanabonati, on a very quick one, Mandapun Yeliti, Mabina Mumbal Amelia Wulensi. Basha Mbalama, Kabundu 70, Basha 70, now one Gafara, now one something if you paga on the 25th from Balama, just the next weekend after Chongoma, now one Gafara, Amalia May Nola Willis, O Pama, Babundula Bible Master Kulebi Ankara, Kashartila, but this time around Obanakana Yendiku Pama, Ahmad is Jonglema, Nukubisha Pluma, Nimana Katapama Yumbe, Abundula Bible Master, Kubi Ankara. Kumpanda, who you be on Shartila, Damma, me the Dampa, Katis skins the Nana Damia. Okay, I'm very sure that Kunaba Amelia Mama, so now only something if you pay on the 25th, Amelia Mania than Kanaya, a large shelter Kukano Balama, so 70 Willing see Basham Balama, Kanache to Pamami, Barkisum Balama, Cominium Binaya Sankara, Yankara, and Kabundu Bible Master. That's a very quick one. Now only something if you pay, we coming through for that wedding, ma. Okay, get ready, Think General Willing Silla Amelia Mania. And again, Zomo Dabsaloma Mania did don't see, Striker did don't see concert Mania than Kana, Zomo Dabsaloma. Concert marker and hey, no, don't be surprised to be Wally and now on for a sports stadium. We coming through large and in charge. Okay, Chanenya, 2-3 things can the born team. Okay, naturally, because Halma Manishama never water me. We want more to tell you to happen and dinner genus on you to action and I'm telling a character and we shall. So some solo one for yellow, you can my baby. The Kenny said the building, even be one neighbor. The lions are in. Makawaya,
this man.
Yo, Ken.
No.
Come on, problem on your way. The way come on, Abora for it.
Oh no. You see,
come on.
And so got we're going to catch a bunch. I have a year pie.
Okay.
Then we'll catch your cool mouth at your scraps. Outside, yeah, man, like I come for it.
Don't have a year pie, man. But what I hear about
okay.
Not some solo.
No.
But Mila Swiss, so I'm better man.
No, so we see, I'm not house. So they say to the first guy do that.
Oi! nakana tiye no shamia okay 69 fans pa nyenye na kupo ma deja kana kuma na kama some rap sheli donc bien na kuzanta ba so da kaba yelba hey kin ma tena kaba banni mbetaba chama let's go
yeah man
okay
so I'm
okay
so come me malaki makaminka sa yelongo mambo sule no be shata refuse to do come at the ratata how to be senior man papa tapa ito bala command ka IGP ka tire be shine kama ECG when the like bendi o CPP I know what over them kama CCT them are ship la pam so we no politics anya lessons but that ngo bulungu na kaso kam nye winners na Ronaldo mbe show yi ba Messi yela man tababa ko ke pa Pepsi rap mbala de pa hip hop Kananga zoka man pick up wana kama Lutu ma Facebook ya gaba de ma WhatsApp lebe virus na lebe sanitizer to pa ma have a new fertilizer you my boss somebody like advisor actually who buy am come na come and advisor Allah Adila woman up now she's honey I'm always prepared come on Monday yeah
Makaba ya 69 Empire yo yes nobody shall warm up correct Pupo ya nobody to start with we shall so few informations can knock about the yele I mean yendi numa the first to get the bite my yele yendi I mean the return because there are no kind of yendi and you to akwala do mara punte tamba ba
no tala ku konvo ka tala ku iskawe ka emsmala ko ka solo
and it was because of COVID and you well understood because though it was a paid concert but mami ni Roma Zoki so you understood the situation. Okay, and this time around the concert is coming back.
Yeah, man.
We fixed the date, man. Which is Friday, bro.
Yes, no, Saturday in
Yelmabo. Just this Saturday. All right. Okay. Okay, then that's very wonderful. So Saturday you're going to inside Sankara. All right, very well. Droba Entertainment is bringing you that one now. Now only something you have paga. Rest assured. Yendi Community Center ya. Now one guy for a kid. My first bite, man, belama. Before we come to the major one, we'll keep reminding you about the concert. Possible thing with the Digital Babiani. We'll play some 2-3 adverts from last year. Then Kenya thing is an interview match. All right, let's come back to the studio. And again, the Throne concert is coming back. The Throne concert, man. The date, man, I won't fix me.
Yeah, man.
Okay, the stadium, man.
Yeah. Mami, that time, like, the cases might be high, like, I want some.
Okay.
Mami, what can you, the mama all for the people, ma. I want some. So, didn't put chance about $1. But this time, when it's like public gatherings, ma. How park on my pocket telling, but no, of course. Get up to the female body session. So, it's just, yeah, they go to share like government entertainment. So, I think that chunk, Dimagba. Bumbla na ma da yeti na tinye katang piani kanyasa kama vielo to diamantale katang ma bien jamai katang fune anya ka people ma ko bien shara pour them to understand. So we just trying to bring up entertainment to ginger the mama I want some mama
demoralize
yeah
of course
kamala ngona be ya bala champion yalanga like people trying to keep the fans up understand.
Sure
yeah so one concert man like stadium man time man can postpone this time I cannot like next month first yes
but the man like man space man can see because we are in July now. Almost half gone, and 21st is also like the River Galaxy Orchestra.
Almost like a week, like a month in Kubalama.
A month in Kubalama. Stadium Mashuma, I did table and come and Einstein period and promote it's okay because Stadium Mambala do Mumpuru Puruba, I didn't man a Busham, and you have the trust of the 69. I trust the Papa.
Yeah. I'm a bit sound. Like sometimes it doesn't matter like time frame, I understand that. Just like don't know what is in the yelling because I'm believing the high school big Kumasi, Accra, the high teaching Masunyani, get my Lola Kamkobi, Kamkobi, Kaum, Kamika, the Makasu Malak shoe like to the 1st August. I'm very sure come out and live in the canal.
Of course.
Understand? Yes, so Nkuba years so come to come out. Dinya won program, dinya ane won malisu. Because don't put more pump.
The money, that's fun fire.
Yeah man. But I don't know how to so next month, time na bien. You help abet na liga na maso kat na yala ma.
Okay.
Oh,
so karana ko yira ma. La bien de tout le monde ba na guru. Ne yala de tout le monde. But I realize that anytime I know the t-shirt, you go for quality. As the cousin of the lab,
yes, I'm hit down on quality. I was a no.
Oh, the affected I will shock up.
I'm not doing you t-shirt because you're quality. I'm not Tommy. So it's a shy sometimes my chunk. I'm telling you, just to see my couple.
So I need to put that tag back to
a man big that kind of time, like I can, you know, farmer, people pushing cake, can you like chili? I can no man. Oh, I don't know what that long to come in the silent room, and I know I knew you could, mamma. I know you've been a no, yes, so it goes that to nothing that is about the baby. Come on, that never matter till again. Okay. So when you go, I change and I'm telling you,
Garbazaria.
It's like a star wall, she that you down glass with those spoons. Let's go into so and drop it before this particular one, man. Yeah. And in recent days, man, I mean, had coffee time, let me see. Northern regions are. It seems you were the most hard-working artist within that time. You were always recording, you were always getting videos, you were always dropping songs. You were not sleeping at all. Throughout that period, man, I dropped tracks, man. Let's look at the performances of those tracks, man. They made video in the mass and on social media. Yes, like it was people are fans about Sama because and your fans need to develop artists who like a supporter, but good develop for nothing. There's something in you coming here. Understand? Sure. So some people feel like because of living your league also. Okay. Also feel like because of your line share, understand? And the more you give them, the more can laugh more concert. So I decided to do like COVID one can artists more pumped up with like something. Which I be like no to my video can be like you know by because October show. Understand? And you can no man kalala. Understand? Because me can do on a rainy day like Gasheti and come now like me that can work out the numbers I can never understand now. So that's I'm very sure from the 21st August you appreciate it that work hard during la lockdown matter. That's true. Yeah. That's true. Be happy. Ma bulma din da dealership look comes that right. Kama kandalang share pass. So the publisher didn't approve because my name is set up there can record, understand? Oh, your studio ma. Oh, okay. I established studio ma pa biela yan. Oh, man don't can yela ma. So no. My first na yela gadgets ma mishaka, but I was thinking that. No, the abans ma like must can mix like thing ma. Like abans ma. Yerba ra bo na pia. Oh. No. Ma bulma don't can some bulma. Oh, so good for the money don't can some bulma. Ko you don't can some bulma. Oh, really? Tuma manku bi manku perform la wusi aka la ka kuna te npi ka so sera mesi ni ya ye bi sha nchela na bi mba te you from ka ye busai kan phone laptop sera awansa ka kutisha wa to na ka studio to awansa be ya pam na ndile ma pangba awansa ma kaman research was land drop over ma mi instant like asala to kan kunyele dan changu tan ka blue beat mixer kan bare den. Time frame it is another thing we should recommend because that was speed. That was speed that be repuna pa. The man la pungul, the man pungul. No, you see, come on, look here, that person I musama. Sometimes you understand like come on, two more ways. Me man can't dress it. Okay, so the sagramana. Come on, my yellow says I can never understand that. Like, to not yet, I'm born a yellow, but I'm not a black in yellow. Like, in Sayla Sabu, no, Clank of the Yala level. Yes, I put me bit my tank, I had the yellow bar. Oh, you about because all can yellow who make of kill at the tank, I yell to my way. Okay, yellow pump, yes, yellow meat for is for the middle, work. Yeah, work for like, can yelling. I to buy money, searching for the money now, like yelling. Comes with but come up with the shape. No longer comigo não la free fica em jangane. So bagala mbora, a comigo asa no la cara coisa outra vai mula.
Troll concept, man. The troll concept, man. The poor can nabi. I mean, let's look at Tinye flyers, man, be around. But then when your artist on view, always they said it is loaded. It is loaded. It's another thing that make it show. People are ready for us to know artists shabayi in terms of Puma because how shabiane. Pride in Yale. I mean, it is an achievement to perform or share a stage with you. Come a true concert or jam the Puna. Pride in Yale. So how you shine it over here about cause a problem?
Yeah, you see.
List man already.
Yes, I mean, but your first, you drop a poster.
Okay.
High price that kind of so.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes,
I remember.
Yeah, sure.
Can you book and book? Price, man. Okay. So I'm going to drop a flyer, man, with price, man. I'll leave you, man. So find your price, man.
20 Ghana cedi, 50 Ghana cedi.
Understand?
Yeah, sure.
So. Never long going to be artists sabay and pay as well.
Sure.
And artists that was sponsors part also. Okay. So sponsors stay and come now. But if I know nose marks, be like I get our fans one can come and can nose marks like understand how like that's a thing. That's them there final post on for you. And the post to them like. So TV jingle, mean the jingle that's a pen man. So artists on the bill by performance that people alert us.
Okay, they are aware.
Yes, yeah.
So didn't alert kind of kabanka mabana una maybe start to lobby.
Maybe bit don't that nyama. Because Bishop Gary, maybe like this guy there, like in my Pimba, he's part of me. Understand that? There's no need back and do what happens to you because I just could find one day can you look. True 1 year can born a cat support like look at them conditions like just they do to start with. But I'm coming artist plus and could be around because that's a big deal as well.
Okay, all right, very well. We'll be talking about artists on Bilma again because there's another question. Karku Zorgandelela artists on Bilma. So then can I tell everybody? But to come na yilshale, then the controversy of the moment, ma. So that Heartbreak, ma, it will be a song in the breaker thing, ma. This time around, the industry was a bit slow. Yeah, it was a bit slow, but it has rise up again. I don't know whether you started to be Zungu ni Yangon started because it seems that okay, he just dropped his song. Let's come back to Yilshalan drop, ma. I drop like Kabwale in it, ma. I mean, I won't fancy Gadam the drop with Yilshal Kabwale ni Koma, I won't.
To be honest, no woman, ma.
I won't yell.
Yes, maybe like fans, ma.
Okay.
Come on, especially fans, but Benz of Takatu to Pasha. Not to the fast power. Like you could be the can I'm perform with your program. Like I said,
Otamale we did concert, la free concert, ma.
Yeah.
Last which Saturday,
yeah. So Kasam send a post.
Okay.
Come explain about the Yamuzoman love so man young sham like Abasa like international without no yet about the Gaveka Yama, teaching this art, in Lamatin like a beg Villa, come boy, come go explain to Wula Kalkana, no yen fans man, it's going to be check so. No. Not by show by Uncle to check out Kayam, the net twice here.
So
no, so in bag
before work.
Yes. Can die here by ever too much more.
Okay.
I assume Sasa Sugamu.
Okay.
Soon cut when I come soda.
Okay.
I was but this I can't call the little okay. Auntie Yawish, I yalam. I want some more. I want some. Come on, maybe Uncle Larry. Because Kayan is Lala. So come as a coming in yet don't go. I want some more. Just imagine that don't go take out soon at 5 cities. I want some more. To make sense. Yeah, I want some more. Sure. Shut up to go down to Luri or post to Kayaka or just because that thing could be just go point to like I want some more. And today your artist no represent no form like I want some to go to the mama level bit. Halanka but the mina maintain a motion. I want to because the man was respected. One person me and singing that sounds my mama, one person so to take a category and so much the man because I hear talk so can new that videos in a queen will be like about some can like about it. No, yes, I'm a brand man. You see, can you value it like not an artist can be bishop. About some this is coming no like Then kala ho.
Yeah.
Ba ase ba da ko to jia ka chino la la. Sometimes no saso be.
Saso la so kawaza.
Ka saso table.
Ma anje ken ma mi na.
So you know maybe you know what the top come and yell ba ho. I'm just it's just a message to everybody out there. I want some because mama ba sometimes I to go na double shout kana le la ula kan don yell. Understand? Ba le nya ka dia mala waste and to shine to the la like understand that ho. Because I never set an example. No, we are coming some. Can I be coming some? Media could be coming. So you have to look beyond that one.
Going into lyrical build-up in the song, first and foremost, I must recommend that within the short time, Shelley, Anzang to produce that song, and the lyrics in that song, trust me. I may yell no makakunya responding yale, kakunya freestyle, maybe yelben shao, kachanting me. Trust me. Creative songs, listen to the words, the way you've been able to arrange it, it is not easy. So but to make a rhyme in a meaning is very difficult, especially if you have a target of yitwa. It's very difficult. So anybody who comes out halka jabe kaka 69, I'm very sure that Oyimbu Yilama, he will recommend that you did a great job in that song. So with that one, after listening to this song, of course, so many people will love it. But in the song, let's go into the breakdown lyrics, Min fans garam da jinti ko explain the lyrics kaman he's not saying people should go and beg. No be yarna be kaman like adi nyum kom no ya ne kaman like anjol su. Katelan ma be atoni. Ne ka lehru ka bi. Ko filinda bat karnya la abor la bo hambe shelu sane nika suhuma nika twa ansamba ya nika man like idol su kaman anyala rap ken kan kana sane nte bo nan bali rapper so nika dwala nika turuma nika filinda ma karnya la kaman ne bo nan bali rapper ma kan le rama ne talla nyal ni ndir ta'ribi ntwa ndam ma ne be simse dan purpur ma ya kaman ya o man kunno o explanation to all lyrical build up in the song, man. So the man that you didn't get it right.
So I won't yell,
So
oh yes, I'm the same.
No, mammy, lyrics in the song, my show explain it.
You see, come on, look at me tomorrow. Come on, explain. I'm encouraging people to go out and work. Many make it tomorrow. It's like guys here, yeah. Yam come on, the work and getting the work come out the and like I was about like you said the explain.
So about now only that explain to Shamba. Two different things.
I will say, you take a musician, man. I made you the love the house.
Okay.
So yeah. So be like America.
Okay.
Because we not get come die here.
The can actually
explain it to. Move back trend. Move back trend. So here me like explain. She come back. America you have to understand like Abaka being it like.
So the song should be explaining itself.
Yeah, man, explain it because yeah, like you I'm going to get the solution. You so like avant ça moi. Ya man dumunya, il man hamad na bugumle.
Ana wum fas gadam koma.
Yes, abata. But you see la thème ma tu commune.
Ma is a street theme.
Yes, avant ça ma kama so e kama dawo ma na shiri.
Yeah.
Avant ça ma kaza yila. Yila ma tu man ku tu encore. Je sais kama the boys ma de kama.
Okay.
Understand. So kan ka ti la jana explain yila kama di address rap king ko. No.
The color.
No.
So in short Garam Barayi to Anda.
You see, I mean, it's Catalan, so come no mistake. I don't know and Bakuin Ghana as Casal, the canon mistake.
So, like, madam is
Salgama is just no. So, I can Sasu, yeah, my Yao, Zamu, I got the child.
Yilama yaman we are ending mo bola shabia.
But I'm here, but I'm not calling Kaya now, so no this time to go and blood the pot, the person could click. Wait, Anya, now no like a year.
Papa Yayo.
No, on that you said Kaya Kawadi. No.
Boy, I shall you. Okay.
Well, where you are, text to Kaya.
Oh, Bitcoin.
Ngani?
Ado.
General. When you tell the Bitcoin.
Awole.
Amisa. Don't even come out to create a Bitcoin account.
Nice. Ama.
On ya kaswala kaka ato sell Bitcoin. Kai zo. Wallahi. La ilaha illallah.
Waka dawo zo moto wa.
Là, il est pas là, au Bitcoin, toi.
Là, nous pas vérifier.
Au Bitcoin. Ah.
Oh, like mobile money.
Comment on soit mobile money? Quand mobile money, quand Bitcoin va dire là. Can you imagine?
Non, mais. Aïe, tu as acheté les deux.
Aïe. Allez où ça? Mais tu peux y aller, non, B. Dis-moi quoi. Aïe, qu'il faut tous mon chien. Nous disons ça. Dis-moi,
let's go into the song. Très bien, il a pour yes. Yamale, I mean, honestly, two songs, man, near retailing because lyrics in the song, man, and the instrumentation and style, man, it's a nice song.
Yeah.
Likewise, Tuma, I mean, it's a nice song, very, very nice song. But sharp believe when come on, she fast got them number, Shana can't react.
Oh no. My part almost yes, my mum. Me, I'm just trying to keep him up. On your level, so it's just fortunate, but Oka have this social media skill. Okunyala just nigga, you will could be around like. Kako unfortunate, can never go to self do. It's just normal. Lama me just now one way in okay. And sometimes I just try to keep something right, just to keep my mouth. I don't know on my show. Okay. It's a little controversy, like about Shama, like into the feel yeah. My promoter show, sure. Understand now. But maybe we need to understand the whole team about no understanding. Yeah. So make sure that you know how come on, because we have no understanding. About showbiz, at least don't promise that we don't different normal. Maybe we can data social media so understand in a way. Yeah. But come on, we have too personal, like so that we.
Emotional mission.
Yes, I want some. Yeah, I don't put post to me like I no be do like no. Come explain like book now. Wow, cool, so that. I was about
I don't push the Japo.
Don't push the no, no, cherry la. No more you no yila. No, come to start me. My come some buama. Can no meet that. Don't you can put the power.
Over palm.
I can't. To a yafong. Now go people come on kulu hal.
Aba. Ay, oi! Nda bank.
Mali panche mo yesha azo me. To bi ko ba no, kama tu ko no show so na kam buku vote yama sasa.
Ka ku ya flow.
Ka flow ma buku la wo ya great back ma. Ka chere ti share you.
I accept ya kama bituru mi la cha.
Abi sa. Come on, how one see the gate man. Come to back so back man. Come me.
Kama amino kakuya infama
mishaka on gwaza kalas mishaka mishaka to the gate awasa sasa edio
nimbe maga
ai
no
baya
ni yara ito ashere wa wadi enye fabuna oh kai imagine na me fight
ali bisa
nku imagine
jama bamba guzo la kango
Sane.
Jamaa banda kuna
no solo shula.
Da bun loka ngabe. Nda pele ninja, na buni wisha de wa.
O so ara be fight man.
Ai. Mule su fight. Mule na kule.
Azan ma solo kana. Chakampal labna. Humbo ya yilama. Yeah. I mean you drop a quality song. Yeah. Was still there champion go. There is something in today's video.
Yeah man.
Kabuma video and it's not usual of you because har COVID ma time ara me har freestyle shanga kanga video nim tele har shanga bian kar kunya la and people just think that no this is not the song that you really intend to do.
Yeah.
Kacang tu kumba quality video tele. You spend on video. Kati me yila mo and you didn't shoot a video. Karmala Fasagaram yala punch ni mani. Because na no interview mo da ni nersum na banyo la kumu sane. Na so ni dinya yila ma ambele ma na panga ma. Na ka ku ma video.
To sala yelo ma. Ando be yelle. Duko ko ba ko ma no ba ATV ba ATV. Ma e wula ko yele. No yelo ni ne ba video ka kala. Ami sa. Ke ba lo ka you know. Video ma. Free ka ma to. The director announced my video. Season 2, season 3, season 10. You know, my party has 5 minutes. You have 3 minutes. Kind of to do.
Oh, 200 come season.
Season movie. You know,
Karkuye 1, 2, 3 Harley
episodes.
I mal video de interesse.
Karkuye, tawa Jack Bauer ata you know.
I will be explain to you.
Aku nka wanka de me ka tijin explain to item to no. Awa yes. Mami, issue wanko yes am like. Quand you see that Yilama, like I want you to follow. I Yilama to my video. I have video.
Okay.
Purposely just to promote a song.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah, sure.
But some you say I'm not fortunate. Yilama hit it.
Yeah.
Understand? It doesn't matter. Like I'm my video because Yilama don't just stay so I know God. People know the song.
Yeah.
And Yilama Yilama video. Most of the times, about no band video like no band Yilama.
Yeah.
I was saying, can you artist in your name for me, Makasu? Okay. And you have come there, you so video.
So does it mean irresponsible car? You don't want video be like be responsible car,
Well, maybe doing a split man. Like my video on my laptop, so my video play almost 4.
Okay.
Before that. Kan bulwan zat nan ma min sa passion zat san ma video like
okay
yeah avant sama like this but sometimes as soon as I put na ko yin na yeah avant ma you video but how yin na yeah
but the mala kama on yen kama like kama anyu la kwa musanma people believe that umel ngara
people no yell people
mo yashamba o ya na anyu lo ko musanda mi ngumal la gara that's why he's trying to tell us ko ya na anyu lo ko musanda so dia no to you a video ma so that means he ummal on to non ta I understand yeram sha
kama imagine kawa di maybe so kami ka acheta banda le ka de ila acheta mo nyela maybe ama comedian you ama comedian I o makanyo ko musanda so kami ka di chamdam ma
okay
yes ka ye yule nyama ngo ama ku chegila mo ngo so ni tika so ba
wa hatina le haraw na bo amane jeji
I say to halabe do
but ka
yes ni mi nyela yile man zangu short period say listen man yile za mo ngo
biya wala ni bono le bloka be wa ka bole wa donc man tira mi sama
alhamdulillah on zo you say compare man you tiens yi c'est mettre sur là ayo lo sur là beru beru c'est ko fasha da so be sur là ko tipi bish pour ko ko pas de mal du tout la fois no this is to ayer man kan mais ya pas tout hier là quand même blague là like aba ça like
zo cho de plus na ayer là zo let daps de nya
yes because they are always I'm going to check out for program. You see, I was down. What guy did you look at? Like,
understand it. You might wonder about understand.
Mama, why is someone put to a yellow man? How was that? Mommy, I was out.
Oh, I didn't know. Dinga trends number 2 character. In Africa, sir.
She's number Africa. Gonna be. Number 2, number 1 is also. Trend be shit on your car. I do YouTube number 1 be high 0, but me shit on the little machine calculator.
This also
me artist so I will continue YouTube.
Kuno ni mwaka fans match show.
That's all. I be number 1, number 0, 100. So no happen your.
Nazarwa kana.
Ni yellow my to
lure ma 3 years di to na zan solo.
Non c'è nella cosa. Ci occupiamo da tutti.
Yer saya ai aba understand ra.
Okay.
So now mama.
Matla lama bit ko lama.
Tra lama.
Okay.
Program Allah program you twa abella you twa abella na bwa alela. Chakantega ka ba na chankana ko goma on TV manda pu ya last week ma ya alkawli nyale min makasio nyala to po hadin yen yuta ba zongo kara nang ya kamandra po yala ma yebon song charla niveau suma dabsu song dal kamanten dabsu ngoma yes kara nang katara ka dunia sa hakata pour idiya kat zango matara na parkara salla yoma ka bebe kantanga ne to yumpalle do arbo min senam za hatta pour ya but then China come on the Pujala Mamina Food Spices, the Lizzie Tomato Mix, and Tapa Mr. Red Motors, the Institute of African Arts and Technology, and Tapa Maristobes Ghana, Barambe Arsiki Timbapuka program Maka the Kanama. On a very quick Miranda, very quick one Manjala. The Min Makasio interview, Mama. There are so many things we're talking about. The first one, Manjala Dene, the Troll concert is coming back. It is hitting you at the Alhaji Aliyu Muhammad Sports Stadium. Now, one is until November the 21st of August. Next month, 21st Mbalama, the historical Makasio at the stadium. Now, one Gafarama Pumi Makasio, the 60 fans, the 69 fans, the stadium. You don't need to be told. You don't need to be told. So, Kumbal Michel Gorilla Adapsilomaya. Take his money very soon, but price mapa yina 20 Ghana cedi regular, ka 50 Ghana cedi VIP. Hadi Antonio ka VIP magba currently change regular ma because 69 show tomate Ghana cedi magara sok sama ya. So just make sure you got your tickets ready, you get your cash ready, waiting for tickets money into a shele. T-shirts magba nyala din yina, then katena kuzang appear ma. So we the premier red t-shirts magba zoya. Maybe teaching program Makasi will tell you where and when to get the t-shirts ma. Be one number share na akole katunya t-shirts ma ya. The man nyate ya yensu okay nyate ban yensu t-shirts ma wo this time around me no yem pergale dina be any t-shirts ma wo no musta java be the put pam jam ko hala t-shirts me block house no
I don't look at get I should no massa but can you percentage
malagale o
mami the katado ku kana avança ma ya bia zongo ka to kwati she des camera so nela ma bi so casa you have quality mineral, understand?
And then break at the just some few minutes. Tuma, unfortunately, Makasio Yella and other way look as a serious song. He just realized that people were going wayward. Ni youth madam mislead the Labataba. Ni quickly no responded to an incident that the Dan and the Mako likely. That was the reason why who didn't do Beru Mama Kukuso Ilama. So there was no need to purify it. If you're advising somebody, the good in the Biania, the Mania Lasma, the good in the Yonsebe. Now we yelmo as it is. That is the reason why could drop a Yamaka video can. But Nidia challenge Kibora. Now US no church to my video man. But we're taking the audio to go and drop the Yama. But lyrically, trust me, it is outstanding. There's no single pika in your tweet. There is something no tweet. There is something no. There's nothing like that in that song. Take a minute, chill, and listen to this song. We'll be right back after this.
Hey, tumangala jinjam vutunga. Ya tumangala jinjam vutunga. Blue Beats. Atabunda galakacha ay kalon gom na nyini. Atabunda galakacha ay kalon gom na nyini. Abo wa mambo tan kalon gom na nyini. An leba de trafo ay kalon sohbani. So kama hozemia. Na lolo punda kabe. Hozemia. Adu punda kabe so kama hozemia. Abela da de chile kala. Hozemia. Samba, kala jena tibe kama samba, kalem legend kama dade lumba. Nyimbo nuzo tumka nyekana tusuba, apa destru kaya nyotumba. Yela woman yela motivation, fana zo shabanya education. Disaster yola gababal occupation. Wala one min loba bus station, one never somber mount the nation. So hazimia, fita nyabe tightimia, laptop desktop tightimia. Yela kadura, gasimia. Another feeling instatimia, kapala ya gungu no tikunya, katwam sunya. Atabunda galakacha ay kalon gom na nyini. Atabunda galakacha ay kalon gom na nyini. Abo wa mambo tan kalon gom na nyini. An leba de trafo ay kalon sohbani. Na lolo punda kabe. Adu punda kabe soka. Abela da de chile kala.
angry, my brother. I is not Kuhalon, the Kata.
Take Kumala Balaka Wulama, the Bonura, Bama to my level Dobulura, to my Camilla, to Mangela Munkura, Bemuzura, Abelapuna, when I challenge Chella. Hey! Can sing Barao, Lamaka make a Lablagago, can you short and come on a fatao, and make a man proud, canon wow, and Galabayan and Galamana advisor, Luka Kufanya, Bea Basa, Salaka Kuara, Bea Alabasa, Natomo will be under the Yasa, Kazuka Yama, Yama Fightama, Banajama, Pampa like him, Kazanda Banaitama, and Strikema, King of the North, Makama Yabala, look at the Chama. So come on, I love the Puna Cabe. I do Puna Cabe. I better tell the children.
Trust me. When the person I hear come on, maybe you just. It is very the 20th permanent to daily because when you listen to the song and the words you are trying to tell people, it is very deep than just the deep daily
yeah, you see, it's you never shouting to me. Come on, I understand. Okay. And I'm not talking about the big up. And the more you and you're not anymore to come back at the me all being your problems and that.
Sure.
I don't know featuring Shamba, maybe I could chance to do. That's what is only like instant at the note. Yeah. Or believe for understand. Okay. And I lay Yilama address of Shama. Yeah. I'm Bankamadi like the Panaka dance Yilamba. Understand?
No, they will join you.
Yes. You see, I am Bakadi, New York, Fatao. Fatao,
yeah. Because recently is Kafatao United Mirabal.
I understand now. Yes. So Fatao Mama go. You see, there are young players can look up to Fatao.
Yeah, sure.
So imagine can you come. So you get to make a Fatao, but like just encourage us so much. Fatao come here, man. You go to the
okay.
I understand now. So she am my big man, Macanto. The Kuya no Jamayila. Then the Kuya the battle son Kuya can look in yellow so you like Alcohol.
Teach them instrumentation. I mean, as it is like I and it maybe Amal studio I do and sometimes you program the beat. But there was this rumor that beatman no copied beat in yellow.
Man, copied beat in issue shall
that even no video shall be I can't remember, but it seems to be no copied beat in yellow. I don't know why they were taking it to that angle argument, but Brian copied beat in yellow.
Is it Mami, like bomb, man, this is now. I was about no, just because to like I was no your fault something. But trust me, high beats man, download the beat here. I'm not beating them like laptops so YouTube can
that is usual of every artist.
I was about like now Apple arts now actually you like
okay.
YouTube can non the research couple friend the nile papa maybe can download it. So that beat man the voice no share man is similar to blue beat no mix share man.
Okay.
So I'm like can man back same beat man pala.
Oh okay. Similarities there.
No to whom the abus are the gila. Cause on your idea say can you the dwell you dwell so it's something me share the way to dwell that
melody smart the
fully
okay
about that about the maybe we kick share about that's me
program limit
man make illuminati disaster like disaster mixtapes in that that big man big two song about it is one important can be true.
You don't want the youth to, I mean, be dependent.
So imagine. Imagine, can you fan pa come to like about in so can support ma
okay as you woman na ba
I look at Kiki
okay
I look Kiki come look at Kiki come to like answer the affect my tablet
okay
so man here come to high la TV nya be could di man ni come here
oh bandit Bro non kama misala ti funguro
ya. Intibaya ki support ma ki support ti ka no te be avance avant.
Abdullah ni ndiru kuto ba po ifone.
Andaman an kenga ka ti ma bu ka suti si ka shiga wala ka kwa.
Nkana o woman I try lang ba drop la another track relating to it. Attacker.
Oh, já colgou com dela. Tá com o outro mundo. E olha lá os que eu fiz. Os que eu fiz toda a vida lá. Olha, já tipo esse que eu fiz lá just.
O nada foi o naya.
Oh, ok.
O nada no service bar.
Não, abre vai don't
di.
Ma
don't di bo ra dire chop da mai. Lurna. Ma andil bravo tu la. Lur kabra tu. Allo di betor la.
Non shows pas don't di. Ba kasha.
O yira na ya. Limi malo sangla ozala two titles ma because komi mana ka tuma yina. Ozala tuma la tabana tumi kom. Karami mala uba hal punchline shagabiri ma mi tan detector bangde irin punchline ma tan pambu puni ti sense ma tin ya lele de man la punchline bi puni
ya ku nge nyo ito nzo ma ho jela mu to ya tu ma ka pra shoe no no be sha bien to blan potele o gab alo ka gab ta na ma sha o gab ne ma ye ka yen so wa da su an jen chu ye la de ga mo ma ha de mo ne wa ka zo ka mo na mo lu
oh okay ala try na
nous on m'a fou en pas mal ça Jacob
ok
hay da kula anzi studio ngo pera ko good just case bishare steps ka don't tell ça ko no but no what tu peux da ko ay bolle pas 15 times ka time chena ka ya nous on blend to ya la de quoi ya ti bien
on met tout nous comme il a title mais
ayo ça on play pam Omin fans in that lamp to the
oh yabo
ngabo this man hato fans mean oyimagba attack my boy ma oyimagba
donzi
aba mi share ate wo nye yela ma oyimagba
bonsoir moi
nti silma manu
okay
awa jaba elle a dit pas habiter la small boy ba habiter mon yakubu chan you see awa jama
okay
est-ce que vous avez France vous avez mis là non attaque là un relatif habitué est-ce que vous avez avant ça moi moi dis question moi moi monter qui mange avant ça moi Allah le cool quand vous là donc dans pas quand tabia ah ça ya d'accord nous avons tout relatif nous avons pas yela mbala ma on yela on yeto man ko ben try ngade tout ndañu hôpital mi ngi ci ak sa Facebook Nati benda log la out.
Oula zo.
Cause na ma che ben mo mi
la. Oh, moi na mi pi. Ka bi train wa. Blue mo.
Ka wi cha look kiki. Ka pra dam da se nice was. Ka zo na zo ami buncha ko la proma ba ba so proma. Mais ka imagine about sa ma. Nje o e cha ni ku ya anje yo e pa ya fu.
Benazine Full Spices, Lizi Tomato Mix, Mr. Red Motors, Intepa Institute of African Arts and Technology, Maristops Ghana, Banati Raziki Kadinchen Program, Waka the Kandamaya, Tunakutira, and now when something if you're on the 21st. August in Balama, the Tune concert is happening back. It is hitting you up at the Alhaji Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium. 20 Ghana City, 10 year regular yaka, 50 Ghana City, Kadanya VIP. Okay, Nitikis man, I don't go ready very soon, but t-shirts man, Naya, Jakanya, you need to pick a number, so that I put it up there. Dinner Aborla t-shirt, don't you just hit up that number. But Kulema, dinner Ali Rati Scream Master, you will get it. And your number demand the party Scream Master, then you pick that one up. Okay, very well, very well. Okay, I think I get this one. Malaysia can boy number mutaka establish on ya didn't ka bought t-shirts woman. Just hit up that number and yell any quantity carbon. And I'm very sure that don't start woman. Kamambandang bag bumbila, bundang bag in the Savulugu, I mean Kumbung, Cholang, that areas have people who want the t-shirt in large quantities, but what tickets, but what shoes my to her. The starter ma show my to a starter ma. No time to waste at all. So could pick them number then is 0240 30 7123. Once again, number one is 0240 30 7123. Again, 0240. I'm sorry. Okay, 0240 30 7123. Okay, to number ya. I'll pick another number. Nila pick a number shariha. La number maba antu sable song. Anytime za kabor tickets ma bi kabor t-shirts ma antu bol la number ma then straight up kaba hit ta ka za ta ba ku limit screen ma zo anyi number na ma za equally then just pick the number up ma ka pick la up then you call the number kaba za la t-shirts ma za ta ya ma punya equally to be t-shirts ma ne pa. And again hale tickets ma I'm very sure that tickets ma the nyala din you very soon. So just put your eyes on the road. Okay, chakanya nyane to pick another number. Very well, very well. That's very great. Okay, another number mono deniye 054. No, sorry, Tama. Okay, no sorry. 054. Kana 045 8881. Abaya. Okay, let me pick it again. 054. Anoya. Kana 045. Kana 888. Kana 1. Anya. Okay. Chakam pick it higher. 054. Tonana 045 8881. Simple as that. Limited screens mazo on. Anto pekala number the moma. Yomaka bebe kantanga. Kamal interest in getting a t-shirt. Yes, t-shirts man una quality be repun. Kata prepare na una something you pagi on the 21st in Balangoma. August next month in Balama. That's the month of love in Balama. August in Balama. Tin labana parkmania and I'll call in that punyal in the ken Upiana parkmania. Karadana COVID market and to slow things down and we hasten you back. We bouncing back to the sports stadium. Now on something you park to the but Nayanama Nimal Michele now on something you paga a special don't cook no Balama. Makasi is coming to and Bupe. Let's I forget Bupe ba Angela Anchen
yeah.
30th, 31st.
30th
from Balama.
So you could not
okay.
Like 4 days. So the
good people inside Bupi, get ready. The king is coming to you and is hitting you up. Warm up concert and Nabunuma, Catholic prepare you. Now on something you ever on the 21st month. Okay.
Because the first time that Johnny Man was my first time I chanted the man Nama to cash.
Wow.
So
wow. Oh, that's very well. Okay, very well. So definitely reach out the latch out of course. Okay, that's good. That's good. So people in villages, communities around them, just get ready. Now on something if you're on the 30th of this month in Balama. Makassu is coming through, and August 21st, the throne concert at the Alhaji Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium. Yendimi, now something if yes, the Ken is back. Return of the Ken inside Yendi, the Bakanmana Community Center. There's so many things happening in Yendima. Yendima will have award nominated and the best dress, and the two Kanati best 69 fan, Munutu Yil 69, Makassu Yil and Maza. There's so many Drape, Shisha, everything is going to be there. It's going to be like a party inside community center now. Something you bring to Drobambiri to Karanonia. Okay, we're back in the studio. Net Sahama Gareya. Maka Ariya about which I'm Karia Katichampri. I let them Lamna, China. Yes, Facebook screenshot. Me, I just took my bath. I mean, no, but I yell, but Sansanya Sharia, Cabernet Alurma, Mammy Babiru, ne Elantra, my gearbox problem. Nanyela Pustama. No, so now Bormani. Atai la taluru
so yeah Abdul Lazij Abdul Lazij can back dash 5
okay
can dash 5 Maya
now
man can la that
okay
Azijima Amala Baladi Awasama combina what to have
oh
I was about
Nindad.
Ah, Mammy, you know,
no, of course, you
I was
Shabji, but
oh, that's your mamma. T4 was some P5. So, me, come out. How I am Google the back of you, Ilanta, we over me, so colorly. I was a mouth. The best that about. On the night, GSA,
before
goes
no, Launa, Zansol. Now, Papi, do I have GSS?
Oh, so
I police barracks. Shukuruma.
Me come out, like, come on. About Kuban, maybe.
No, no. de somse ne yala yama
non ami de pas que de problème yel ko yulum yel ma na ka force ko ma to ko yi ka normal avant ça so ni ya sama on se lo konga pago lo ça fait ne makasu be ma ni l'entrada ma dia pavada what are you talking about
so ka tu ba
oh sala kamri ujene yaka lena atashwa dasham lungu ozan tentele kasile ka ko hazan swipe kambe swipe la man ka pa le pele man ngo man na ko la do lori
ate swipe ya no do ti gbe yin la yila
oh boys ma bezo ya pampona ngo ba mo halos na ba san ko continue na ba kuza
nyoro ba pus ne o ben zabra ne ka be wula ne na ne kare ne ka be no piam de punu mal ba ne be ku cheki mal taba ne kare no
ami jen ko check